Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's wig is from MyFirstWig and I'm working with their Skunk stripe blonde shoulder length bob wig. So this is a 13x6 lace front wig. The length I have is 16 and it's 160 density. The texture I have is silky, guys. I am loving this bob right now. I like the fact that it's something out of my comfort zone from what I would normally go for, but it is really nice. So when it comes to their lace, this is their air lace. It's a lot thinner than their normal lace that you get from MyFirstWig. The lace feels really soft, it's more comfortable and it's breathable as well. So they've improved quite a few things when it comes to their wigs. So yeah, you guys make sure you stay tuned and carry on watching so you can find out everything you need to know about this wig and see how I install the wig. Basically, this is a very beginner friendly wig because it took me less than 10 minutes to glue this wig down and, you know, have it looking like this. I'll list all the links to everything you guys need to know, and they have some Black Friday deals going on as well, so I'll leave all the discount codes in the description bar below. This is what the construction of the wig looks like. So it came with a natural hairline, came pre-plucked as you can see, and it came pre-bleached as well. So I've just applied my foundation, you know, just so this can match my skin tone better, and now I'm gonna go ahead and install the wig. The wig comes with an elastic band as well, which is really good, so you can adjust the elastic band to fit your head, and it comes with some straps at the back as well. So now I'm just gonna cut off the excess lace on the sides. So now I'm gonna go ahead and use my melt band, and what I like to do before using the melt band is I like to spray around the hairline with my spray just one last time. This is just like extra security, just to make sure your wig is not going anywhere. You can use a spritz for this step as well. You don't have to use the spray. You can use spritz instead. And then I'm literally just going to leave this on whilst I style the wig. So as usual, I left my hot comb on whilst I was gluing down the wig. That's just the best thing to do. So you don't have to wait around for it to get hot. And I've got my straighteners on as well. knots came pre-bleached like I said, so it looks really natural. So I'm gonna go ahead and take off the elastic band now, so the lace should be melted. No guys, this is what you call melted. I'm gonna zoom all the way in so you can see this. So this is their new air lace, and guys, this, it literally feels like I have nothing on my head. Like guys, the lace is so thin, it's extra thin compared to the lace that they used to have. It was also HD lace, but this one is just, you can tell this is different. When it comes to the hairline, like I said, the hairline came pre-plucked, so I've not done anything to the wig. This is literally how it came, and it looks really good. It looks really natural. This is definitely very beginner friendly. You guys can see I installed this wig with no stress. I didn't have to pluck, I didn't have to bleach. Everything came pre-done for me basically. So, and I'm just really impressed with how the hairline and the lace looks. It looks really good. I'm so impressed. And another thing that they've changed is that their lace is now more transparent, which is good because now you can just apply your own foundation to match your skin tone, and you don't have to worry about the lace being too dark or too light. You can obviously match it to your skin tone. So now I'm just gonna go ahead and straighten the wig. So this is a 16-inch bob. Guys, look at the difference. This is why everyone should have a hot comb, because look at this side compared to this side. Like the bleaching they did on this wig looks so good. It literally makes it look like it's my scalp. Like it looks really good. This looks so good. So yeah guys, that brings me to the end of this video. Let me know what you think of this wig in the comment section below. Like I'm actually feeling this wig. I didn't think I was gonna like it this much, but this is really cute. This is very cute. So yeah, so like I said, this wig is from MyFirstWig, and I'm really in love with the hair quality as well guys. Like the hair feels really silky. If I'm being honest, I think they've upgraded everything about their wigs, because I've worked with MyFirstWig previously. The hair quality was good, but it was not this good. Like guys, do you see how this hair is just flowing and moving, and it just and the density of the wig, this is 160 density by the way, which I think is just the perfect density for this length, you know. So yeah, and they have a Black Friday sale going on guys. You don't want to miss out. So if you use the code since 2015, you get some money off. You don't want to miss that. So yeah, like I said, this wig is from MyFirstWig, and honestly guys, this wig did not take me up to 20 minutes or even up to 10 minutes to install, to glue it down. Definitely very beginner friendly. I would definitely recommend. So yeah guys, I'll make sure to list all the links that you guys need in the description bar below, so please make sure you check below for anything you'd like to know. And don't forget, they have some Black Friday deals going on right now, so make sure you check the box so you can get the discount code, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.